In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny websites to check if Apple Pay is enabled and if you have an Apple Card account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On the settings, scroll all the way down until you find Safari. In Safari settings, keep scrolling down to the very bottom and get into Advanced. Basically, guys, that's where you can easily find that option, check for Apple Pay. All you have to do in order to turn it on or off is just tap at the toggle button next to it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.